Python recursive function missing results. Coming from Python recursively appending list function trying to recursively get a list of permissions associated with a file structure. I have this function that returns all the results except the folders that contain other folders. Output from function would be true, false, false. Another case would be where equals allowed, equals restricted. Output would be true, true, false, false, true, true, true.
The basic issue occurs you are only returning the folder permission, when folder does not have any children. When it has children, you are not including the folder .has _read_ permission request in your return result, which is most probably causing you issue. You need to do. This should result in, not tested.
Why not os.walk? When top-down is true, the caller can modify the dir names list in place, perhaps using del or slice assignment, and walk will only recurse into the subdirectories whose names remain in dir names. This can be used to prune the search, impose a specific order of visiting, or even to inform walk about directories the caller creates or renames before it resumes walk again. Modifying dir names when top-down is false is ineffective, because in bottom-up mode the directories and dir names are generated before dir path itself is generated. For example, you can build generator, lazy list, that generates only non-restricted directories,